In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to HubSpot, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot offers an array of software and tools designed specifically to help businesses manage their marketing, sales, and customer services. If you're not familiar with it, HubSpot is a powerful platform that allows you to automate and streamline various aspects of your business operations. Now, once you're on their homepage, you'll see the login button usually located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to the HubSpot login screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. Otherwise, consider setting up an account first. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This dashboard is your gateway to all the various tools and features HubSpot offers, and from here you can navigate to different sections of the platform. Next, we want to locate your profile. Look for an icon or a section usually found at either the top or side of your screen indicating your account, maybe your name or your picture if you've added one. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu. Now within this drop-down you should see an option labelled Invite Your Team. This is where we'll begin the process of adding a new user. Now that you've clicked on Invite Your Team, you'll be brought to a new screen prompting you to enter the user's email address. Before you type away, it's essential to have the email address of the person you plan to add handy. Go ahead and type in their email address. Double check for any typos to ensure they receive the invite swiftly. Once you've entered the correct email, there might be an option to assign the new user specific roles or permissions, allowing you to control what parts of HubSpot they can access or modify. Tailor these settings to fit the role or responsibility of the person you're inviting. After you've entered the necessary email and adjusted any permissions as needed, you'll typically see a button to send or invite. Clicking this button will send an invitation to the new user, prompting them to join your HubSpot account. Keep an eye out for confirmation messages on your screen just to be sure the invitation was sent successfully. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new user to your HubSpot account. A neat little trick to simplify your workflow and enhance collaboration within your team. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Until next time.